Hi, this is Nicholas
And Susan D. Costella.
from the Institute of Heart Intelligence, and we'd like to wish you a big hearty welcome to our Thrive Day. It's all about awakening your passion for life. You see, we've spent 25 years teaching Australians how to clear the emotional baggage that weighs us down and holds us back in our life and open up our hearts so that we can come alive, release stress, master anxiety, deepen relationships, accelerate healing, and find your passion and purpose in life. The day is practical. You'll be learning down-to-earth, grounded skills that you can take home with you and put into your everyday life right away.
Yeah, and also remember, it's a fun day and we'd love to see you there.
Yes, so you can attend online or in person, and everybody that registers will receive a free copy of my Keys to Emotional Mastery book. So come and join us, and I look forward to seeing you there.